Improve subplot size/spacing with many subplots. I need to generate a whole bunch of vertically stacked plots in matplotlib. The result will be saved using savefig and viewed on a web page, so I don't care how tall the final image is, as long as the subplots are spaced so they don't overlap. No matter how big I allow the figure to be, the subplots always seem to overlap. My code currently looks like
You can use plt.subplots_adjust to change the spacing between the subplots. Call signature. The parameter meanings and suggested defaults are the actual defaults are controlled by the RC file.
Using subplots_adjust, h space equals 0, or a very small number, h space equals 0.001, will completely remove the white space between the subplots, whereas h space equals none does not. H space equals 0 or h space equals 0.001. H space equals none.
Please review matplotlib, tight layout guide and try using matplotlib.pyplot.tight_layout or matplotlib.figure.tight_layout. As a quick example, without tight layout, with tight layout,
the plt.subplots_adjust method. Or the size of the picture matters. I've tried messing with h-space, but increasing it only seems to make all of the graphs smaller without resolving the overlap problem. Thus, to make more white space and keep the subplot size, the total image needs to be bigger.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.